In this video, we focus on our life sciences and routine series in greater detail. Designed for rigorous use in universities, clinics, and laboratories, Motic's renowned BA series upright microscopes are a trusted choice for analyzing transparent samples in the natural sciences and can be easily upgraded with various contrast methods to meet specific sample demands. Recognized for their reliability and robust construction, the acclaimed Panthera series models will be your trusted partner in the science lab, delivering advanced automated light management and a seamless computer-free digital microscopy experience. With a versatile and durable design, these stereo microscope series are built for everyday use, handling both fundamental microscopy tasks and advanced research in biomedicine, material science, and industrial quality control. Their upgradability makes them ideal for complex setups. Designed for routine microbiology, Motic's A-series inverted microscopes come with a pre-configured optical setup, making them perfect for examining native samples in cell culture flasks. Thanks to its smart and eco functions, your workflow efficiency is assured. Our starter line cameras are perfect for microscopy beginners, teaching environments, hobbyists, and small labs. Easily connect them to your computer using the intuitive Motic Connect app. USB expert line cameras are ideal for professional applications, delivering true color reproduction, fast frame rates, advanced low light sensitivity, and larger sensors. Display Full HD or 4K live images on your screen and work with the camera's embedded software. Make live measurements, image adjustments, annotations, and more on the go. Get ready to capture, edit, and share your microscope images with your tablet or smartphone thanks to our free Motic Connect app.